Hey, let's go ahead and talk about proper placement in your vehicle. I'm in a Jeep Cherokee. This is a 20. I'm about 6'4", 260, so I'm a bigger guy. I have my seat all the way back. I have a slight bend in my knees. I have large arms and hands, so I want to have a slight bend. And as you can tell, as I'm moving up, I'm moving slowly. You know, we're just in a drive-through, so I'm going to go ahead and give you some information to help you become a good driver. You want to see the rear of the vehicle. A lot of beginning drivers overturn, and if you overturn, you're going to go over the curb. Okay, you want to turn smoothly, hand over hand into the turn, and you want to turn out smoothly, hand over hand out, right? That is important. Next, you need to know where your instrument panel is. Obviously, we have our tachometer to the left. We have our speedometer to the right. It's also a digital speedometer. We have about 55 miles of range left for fuel. Our temperature gauge is in the middle, which is right here. Our fuel gauge is to the right. This car does have climate control. These are our four-way flashers. This car, I believe, I'm gonna go ahead and move up, and you see how I'm turning the wheel, not overturning, not underturning, right? And we're out going through a drive-through. This car does have climate control. When you're taking your road test, they're going to ask you some basic things about your vehicle. Your windshield cannot be cracked. You need to have proper insurance in the car, right? You need to have registration. You need to at least have a quarter to half of tank of fuel. Your test will take anywhere